Happy holidays! Deronda here with Foods 101. I have a request on how to make peanut butter Chex Muddy Buddies. And the great part about all of this is the recipe is right here on the back. Peanut butter Muddy Buddies. The only thing differently I'm doing in the recipe is I'm substituting the 4 cups of chocolate Chex with 4 cups of your regular peanut butter Chex. And that means I'm using the whole 12.2 ounce box of peanut butter Chex. You're going to need 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Some of you will know this is icing sugar or confectionery sugar. 1/4 cup of butter, 4 tablespoons, 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm substituting with milk chocolate chips. Let me show you how simple and easy this is to get together. Add your butter to a large micro-safe bowl. I cut it down into pieces because it just makes it a lot easier to melt. Add all your chocolate chips with your 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. This is off to the microwave for 1 minute. After 1 minute, your mixture will be looking like this. And you want to stir these 3 ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Now I can see a few little pieces of chocolate chips that haven't melted yet. I'm going to put this back in the microwave 15 seconds at a time, stirring in between until all of our chocolate chips are completely melted. And looking like this. See how lovely and creamy that is? This is what you're looking for. Make sure you have those 3 ingredients well blended, and a whisk does a really good job of doing that. We're going to add our pure vanilla extract. Whisk it in until it's really well incorporated. This is going to give that peanut butter Chex Muddy Buddies some fabulous flavor. We're going to add that entire package of peanut butter Chex. With a spatula, we're going to start making sure we get that chocolate on every little piece of our cereal here. Keep working it until you get it all coated. Once it's looking like this, we're going to add it into a 2-gallon bag. Now, if you don't have a 2-gallon bag, you can go ahead and use a 1-gallon bag and just add half of your Chex mix at a time. You can just add it in all at once if you're using that 2-gallon bag. Add all your powdered sugar, and remember, if you're only using a gallon bag, you're only going to use half your powdered sugar with half your chocolate covered Chex mix. And here comes the fun part. We're just going to start tossing it around until all these Chex pieces of cereal are coated with that powdered sugar. I've spent a couple of minutes doing this, and looky there on the inside. Oh yeah, what a lovely treat. I've got a large cookie sheet that I've lined with parchment paper. You may want to do 2. Add our peanut butter Muddy Buddies on here. I'm only adding half at a time. And if you have a big blob like that, you can just go ahead and tear it apart. And then evenly distribute it on your cookie sheet, and you can put this in the refrigerator and let it set up. I've had my peanut butter Muddy Buddies in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna dig in here and tell you what it tastes like. Oh, wow, loaded with fantastic crunch, peanut butter, chocolate. You can't go wrong with those combinations. I'm gonna add a little bit here in a bag. I'm gonna roll it up. And I've got these cute little containers I'm putting them in. And this person who has requested these from me at Christmas time is gonna be so happy and merry. So there you go, peanut butter Muddy Buddies. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. Stay safe. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, and I'll catch you lovely people later.